Order filled.
Oh, just taking it off while I set this up. What's going on, chat? What up? What up? What's going on, everybody? Yo, what up, Trading Star? Oh, you watched it? Nice. What up, Stone? Yeah, we had a. I thought we had a good time. Dude, I mean, that's how, you want to be entertained, right? You want to have some fun and be entertained? Straight up hijacked it. I mean, that, I thought we were having fun. That the host there, Andre's awesome, by the way. He's really cool. He was like the perfect person to come on with us. He was definitely like the perfect person to come on with us.
Order filled.
Come on. I'm trying to.
Order filled.
I've been trying to get this account over to pass for the day. So I can get it lock in another day, and I just can't get it to $200. Thanks. I appreciate it. What's up, Miramar?
Order filled.
Come on. Just dump it. Dump it. Dump it all the way down. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it.
Order filled.
Good day so far. That's good. I'm trying to pass this account for the day and lock in day 4. I thought I was finished with it, but apparently not. Apparently not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I'm done today, yeah. I mean, this is a prime rejection in the 5-minute fair value gap. Look at that.
Order filled.
Come on. Just unload it. Unload it. Come on. Luca, what up? What up, Waldo? I should have been playing my Apex on the last move I sent to Discord. Yeah. I should have just held short here from the top. I should have went long right here.
Order filled.
Dude, I can't get this account over $200 to save my life. What up, Raul? I just can't get it going. Watch, they drop it now.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm halfway there. Halfway there. Oh, what's up, Mara? I'm just trying to scout my way to $200. So annoying. It's definitely going to go down. Look at it. Just had a hold. Honestly, I think this is going to go much further down. You got Trump talking, this China stuff going on.
Order rejected.
Oh, I'm in the wrong account. I think we're going to drop. This is like one big flag. What up, Double O? Yo, you have fun at Top Step? You have fun over at Top Step? I had fun. We're I need to get the email that says they want me back. I haven't gotten the email that says they want me back yet. I think we're I can't even say your name. Aneki. I think it's gonna sell here. I want to play it in this RMN trade pips. I am short right now. Yes. Enchanted, what's up? What's up, cats? I'm going to take it off. We're up $90. $95. I just think they're going to bring it back up a little bit. Oh, maybe they're not. I'm trying to. I need to lock in $200 in this XFA account. This is looking really bad. If I get a bounce here, I'm going to buy in this XFA and probably not touch it. I want to see one more bounce up. Good evening. Got to be in the UK or something. What up, Code? It's light over here. I got light. What up, Horizon? What up, guys? What up, Sleeper? Shivkanya? What's going on? A lot of new people up in here. Lot of new people up in here. Oh, Sleeper, yeah. I mean, yo, CT, you liked it? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the guy said that they want to make it maybe like a weekly thing. I don't know. I mean, that's a crazy bounce. I'll believe it when they ask. You know, I want to see them ask me to come back. I had a lot of fun on it. Wow. They ripped it right off 500 again. It's the same thing they did over here. They like just ripped it right off 500. Dude, that's a 200-point candle. That's 200 points. Look, down and then watch. We're going to come back. Yo, what up, Corey? I'm here, but dealing with this flooded basement. Oh, that sucks. Question: if my Apex PA P&L is 300, I'm over 600 drawdown. What is my highest profit I could take on Bartolo? As long as you traded 8 days and you did not
Order filled.
Hold on one second.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm trying to scalp this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I'm trying to scalp it. Do they pay for the presence on air? You mean like pay me to go on there? No, not at all. I think you could take out $968, Bartolo. Is there a point if they ask you to be a regular, you're going to ask for something? I don't know. Probably not. I'm just enjoying myself right now. It's just an hour out of the day. I have fun. Chill out. Yeah, I don't get them. I'm just trying to scalp $200 here. This has been like the hardest $200 ever. Super hard.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm halfway there again, boys. Halfway there. Am I trading full time? Pretty much. I mean, you see me trade for 5 hours a day on here. It's almost. Not only am I doing that, I also trade options and stocks when I'm not on here. 920 was your biggest day? Hold on. I'll tell you what you got to go to. Oh, you're good. You're good, Bartolo. I mostly trade, and I own a business outside of trading. But I commented to you in the chat. I added you and said something. I forget what I said, but I definitely added you in the chat. Double O. I'm so anxious to just get. Ooh, I turned red to green, baby. Red to green. Turning it over. I think we're going to go further south. I just need a bounce. Little bounce. Little bounce. Little bounce. Yo, Sharda's Kitchen. Welcome to the stream.
Order filled.
I'm not touching this the rest of the day, by the way. I might just get stopped out right here. Oh, design knob. They gave it all up. They completely gave it all up. They gave every piece of it up.
Order filled.
Come on. Just come down and fucking hit me. Come down and just hit me, and I'm done with this fucking account. Oh, come on. I'm right there. Come on. I am right there. I am right there. Just do it. Do it for the stream. Come on. I was right there. I was like 5 points away. Dude, that was bad. What up, David? What's going on, Oliver?
Sorry, I don't know. You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Come on, market. Come on. I'm right here. Just dump it. Yeah, I know. It looks like no can. Oh, here we go. Please. 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 Yo, what up, poker? Yo, what up, Alfred? Yo, piano traders up in here. What up? What up? Yo, Top Step was fun. Jim Blab. Come on. I am right fucking here.
Order filled.
I just took it. I'm 30 bucks away. Yo, how do you do an ATM order on here, by the way? How do I do an ATM? Oh, it would have hit. How do I do an ATM order? Anybody know? I was trying to figure it out, and I can't figure it out. How would I go about doing an ATM order?
Order filled. Order filled.
How would I do it? Gear icon on left side. You mean this right here? This gear?
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, yeah, on left. All right, I click on this, and then where do I go? Far left under Top Step X. Oh, okay. Gear icon. Okay. And then where do I go from there? This? Dude, I kind of don't like that.
Order filled.
Oh, I can move this?
Order filled.
Yo. It's static. Not a huge fan of it, but I'm going to try it out.
Order filled.
I'm trying to just do it where
Order filled.
I kind of scalp it on the way. You get what I'm saying? Like,
order filled. Order filled.
yeah, exactly like I just did it. Like that is what I wanted to do. Locked out all day. Okay. I'm going to lock this on at least one day right here.
Order filled.
Okay. Locked it out. All three are locked out. 200, 243, 205. Locked them all out. And I passed this one today. Oh! Woo! That's how it's done, boys. Sir, if you are not in trading, then cricket commentator was best career for you. You have that skill too. A cricket commentator? You know what? I've always wanted to see a cricket game, but I've never seen a cricket game. The closest cricket game they had was at Eisenhower Park. Yo, what up, Sean? What up? What up? Yo, if I missed anyone in the chat, my bad. I was trying to pass that account. My bad. But I passed it, so that's like a I don't have to worry now. That was a worrisome day. Imagine if I was on Top Step, just order in, order out, order in, order out, order in. I don't think they like that. I'm just scalping here. All right, let me look at it. Hold on one second, Sean. Yo, at the end when they asked me if I had any advice, I was going to say don't go in 15 minis, no stop loss. But I was like, I wanted to be serious for a second. Had to be serious for 2 seconds. Who is this? I just want to see who this is. Hard to be serious with that other guy on there. Who's the other guy, Trader Y? The commentator from Top Step or the other trader? The other trader or the commentator? Oh. It's my boy. I think 150 counts are my sweet spot. I get the perfect amount of room I need on both sides. Yeah. I agree, especially in this market. Interesting guy. I got him into trading. Trader Y. I got him into trading like 5 years ago. How many traders are going to get a reward today? One person. One person. The main focus of the chat is to earn payouts. Dell, he's literally my best friend outside of like in real world. Yeah. I talked to him he was in my wedding party. I talked to him every day for like 45 minutes to an hour. He grew up in the next town over from me, and I didn't know it. I didn't meet him until I was 25 when I met him. Yo, Garen. Yeah. Yeah, I thought the main purpose was collecting free accounts. Hold on one second. I need to Need to adjust this shit. I'm going to turn this one green too. Cove, you know, some people are only here for the free stuff. I try to make it about learning to trade, hanging out, having fun with everybody. Like that's what the focus should be on. That's what the main focus should be. You know what I'm saying, Alfred? I mean, I try to give it to someone, you know. Oh, I need to go into I need to figure out how I get into Google Chats. I know, Alfred. Basically, it's gone in a day. If you yes, 1,000%. It's gone in a day if you don't understand. I definitely bought too big here. I try to give back every day because I know some days people just have rough trading. So I try to give back. And it should just be like a fun thing, not the focus. The focus should be, oh, I'm getting fucking stopped, am I? Yep. Oh my God. Push through. Oh my God, Sean. Sean, did you make that? I bought too many contracts here. Come on. Bail me out, baby. I'm not going to get bailed out. This looks like it's going to just dump. Yeah, Mad Moxie. I know. I kind of like this to the upside. The problem is we're dealing with, I don't know, 60, 70 point swings. But you got the manipulation to the downside. It's popping back through. I kind of like it a lot. The problem is we're swinging around like a mofo. It's all good, Alfred. All of a sudden, it's like, well, I don't see my duck. Streamlabs took that one out. The whole move up today reeks of dead cat bounce. There's no real catalyst. I'm going to get fucking roasted here, too. I was just up. I was just like up $400. I was up $400 and didn't take the fucking money like an idiot. Why did I not take $400? So stupid. We're going to dump. That's it. I'm out. I'm all in on this. I'm just holding. My stop loss is all the way up here if the account's gone. If not, I'm holding till the end of the day. It's funded. Don't follow this. I won't trade another funded account if this blows. You know what it is? I was feeling it. I locked in gains. I locked in gains. I locked it in. I locked this in. I locked that in. I was feeling good about myself. So I took a shot. And of course, when I did, the problem is you can't even fucking exit fast enough. Hit it big for you? I'm trying. I'm trying, man. I think this thing unloads the end of the day. Dude, the stops have to be massive. We all know I got one more trade in me no matter what. Cove is ready to risk it all. Yo, is that TPT out of... Yo, what up, Chad? Nah. We're in order. It's, I got to get this one over. I got to get it over. No late day gamble for me? What? CT, are you feeling okay? You can't get into take profit trader on Quant Tower? Why? Yo, honestly, I think we're going way down. Let's go. Dump it. Dump it. I have 3 pass tests and can't get anyone to push them into pro accounts. Missed 3. What? That's wild. Dude, imagine you do it on your phone, CT. Dude, that's crazy. You don't get... I've been pushed over every single day. Anytime, like, it happens the next day. Don't trade them. I wouldn't trade them or anything. Did you trade 5 days in them, Chad? Did you trade 5 days just to make sure, like, you know, you did everything? You got to trade 5 days, not only be over the limit. Yeah. Yeah, they're sitting in past, but can't get them into pro status. Dude, I've never heard of that before. And you reached out to support? What did support say to you? Support say all good, or you get a response back? Like, what are they saying? Reached out on third, dude. I would be emailing them email them again, man. I would definitely email them again and say, dude, what's going on with my freaking accounts? 100%. I would be like, where's my accounts? Yo, we're one China tweet away from this just getting real ugly. Yo, he comes on and says China. China. I had to contact them for one account to get activated. It said, congratulations, you passed. There you go. You got to hit them up on the chat. Cole, you ever said a take profit low enough to get fill? T-bone. All right, I'm taking that off. That's $800. All right, let me see what you said. I could talk about the intraday. Hold on, Cove. Do you ever set your take profit low enough to get filled? What do you mean? Like, I do set a take profit amount. Well, I talk about the intraday trailing drawdown rule and Take Profit Pro. Yeah, it's a $200 trailing drawdown until you get to 52,000, and once you get to 52,000, it completely stops, and basically you have a static account. You just can't go lower than $50,000 anymore. That's how it works. You just can't go below $50,000 once you're over 52, and then there's no more trailing or end of day or anything. Man, that was freaking money. Yeah, like Lucinda, everyone's worried about take profit traders trailing drawdown. There's nothing to worry about because once you can get a payout, there's no more trailing drawdown. It doesn't matter. Dude, I was going to populate it. Sean. Oh. Let me go visit. Let's see what this looks like. Oh. Candle dildo. Sean, I got some good shit to throw on there. Hold on. Sean, I didn't know you were going live. Hold on. I got a whole bunch of stuff. How do I create things on there, dude? I got to get with you. And how do I create stuff and put it on there? Human, human, human. Hello, Bueller, Bueller. Yeah, dude, I'll call you after the market or whenever you're free during the week. I want to get some. Is that you calling me right now? I want to get some real cool stuff on there. I want to get some real cool stuff I want to get on there. You know, you said call and it started ringing. I was like, dude, I don't think this guy's got my number, but someone's calling me. Yo, if you get to 100 people in the chat, I got, 100 people in the chat. We do something real cool. So tell your cousins. Call your grandma. Damn, this thing's just dumping out. This is just unloading. Yo, make a girth shirt. I got some sayings I want to throw on there. I definitely got some sayings and shit. Give me like a week of adding stuff, and then we'll throw it out there. I'll make a whole video about it. I'll make a video about it on YouTube once I populate it. Do not come. Do not come. Yo, a size matters candle is yes. Yeah. Dude, maybe I'll get somebody on Fiverr to make us some graphics too. I'll throw some money into some graphics. Make some cool shit. Chat GPT. I don't know how to use it for images. I'm going to have to look. Dude, this thing has no buyers. There's no buyers left. Do I just hold one for the rest of the day? I should have held that one from Top Step. Yeah, yo, if you show me how to make images, I'll make images of some good shit. And yeah, I'll do some images and whatnot. Dude, this selling's not over. Wow. I don't know if you see my first two, but you have. Yo, Dell, put it in the Discord. I'll make images on ChatGPT and all types of shit for everybody. I'll spend time and do it. I'll make some cool things. I want to get a comfy hoodie though. Like I'll order one and make sure it's comfortable. But yeah, I want to get a hoodie. I'll get a nice hoodie. Oh man, that was a freaking hit though. I sized up. What did Trump said to do this? Yo, Trump is talking about Raul, why am I got it? Is this your first day in the chat, Raul? Have you been around or is this your first day in the chat? That's how I'll troubleshoot it. So Streamlabs has a thing to stop people from coming in with like 30 accounts and just registering, that you have to be in the room typically for like 45 minutes or so, and Streamlabs then allows you to get in it. It has nothing to do with me. It's all Streamlabs to stop people coming in with like 30 accounts and signing up all 30 accounts. So just hang out, use the room for making money and trade talk and everything like that. And then either later today or tomorrow, you'll have access to join. But that just stops from all. Yeah, well, it's because you know what happens is what happened was people were coming in. People were coming in and using like 8 YouTube accounts to sign up. So this is the only way I was able to stop it. That Streamlabs makes it that accounts have to be around for a little bit. Yeah. Oh, that was such a nice freaking hit. Dude, this account was almost done. It's only down $463. Yo, what up, Matt Rad? What up, what up? There is a picture of it. Invite. So if you go over to the Discord, the Discord's free, but I think there's a picture of what teabagging is somewhere in there. Just scroll up a little bit. There's no Horizon. There's no reason, not one reason to buy. Yo, you seen your duck once? He was going the wrong way. Matt, I wouldn't quit your job. I don't know if you have family. I don't know if you own a house. I don't know your financial situation, but all seriousness, I personally don't quit my job with $100,000. You have to have enough money to be able to put it in dividends, writing options, and things like that where you have income coming in and you could still do futures on the other side. CPI is Thursday. That is a market mover. Yeah, like put it like this. When I went full time back from 2007 to 2012, I had more than $200,000 in my accounts. I had a lot more. You know, I had enough that percent-wise, I didn't need to make a large percent to earn money. Yo, what up, Amir? Yeah, man. I'm doing pretty good today, actually. I feel like I am. I feel like I'm doing pretty good. This was literally just... Yeah, Knob, there is a mental toll. And that's kind of why I like putting, you build up some dividends where, hey, the dividends are giving you $2,000 a month. And you're writing puts and they're giving you $4,000 a month. Like, you have to have some type of income coming in that allows you to keep trading without an issue. Yo, Trading Star, it was. What's up, Mama Tick? Yeah, we got some green here. We got some green here. And then we got a lot of green. Green, 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 green. A lot of green. Yeah, I wouldn't stop that, Matt. Honestly, you could trade from 9:30 to 11 and be done for the day on a lot of days. I can't believe this. This is crazy. Dude, they just unloaded this thing. You know what sucks is I literally told myself I was going to grab it in this account and just hold for the rest of the day, and I just didn't. I got scared. I'd be up like a stupid amount of money. I'd be up like $7,000. Just had to hold. Just had to hold. How many times have we all said that? Usually give it back after 11, after 12. Yeah. Just remember, guys, I called this early on. This was such an easy call that we were going to fade. I posted it in the Discord in the morning. I don't know if you're in the Discord, but you probably should get in there. And literally, I was saying how we were going to fade. The reason we're fading is there's a lot of shit that can come into play tomorrow. Like, who trusts this as a bounce? I am not trusting that as a bounce. I played NQ puts. I love trading options on futures. Yeah, I got a couple puts protecting my portfolio. You called it to the nuts. It happened, what did I say, afternoon? What did I say, midday? It happened like an hour early. Instead of 11:30, it happened at like 10:30, 11:40, 10:45. Yeah. Dude, I mean, it had it written all over it because you had to know Trump and all that. Those guys are going to come out and, you know, they're flexing and China's flexing and all the other BS. I'm just glad I sold a bunch of calls against my position. I was able to capitalize a little bit. That hit with the golden pocket pool of Monday's low and today's high. Yeah. Do you mean you don't trust the 3-bar reversal all the way down here? It might. Is there a 5-minute reversal? Play a 3-bar reversal down here if we got one. I don't trust anything long right now. I'm with you because this can go and then all of a sudden it just turns around and goes under 207 and we're back down. I don't trust anything at all. If anything, I'm looking for shorts. Yo, we come back to right here. I'm looking to short this thing. VIX is at 52 right now. Damn, hood is down. I'm so glad. Wow. The only way I see us going back up is if China and Trump make some type of deal. Otherwise, we're probably going to either float around this 17,000 range for a little bit. And what I would expect to come going forward is like, you know, Trump's side says things are going good, so the market goes up. And then China says something, the market goes down. It's going to be whiplash back and forth for a little bit. So I wouldn't trust any multi-day rallies unless there's something actually set in stone. You're also going to have a big push when they say they're going to have a meeting. There's probably going to be a run into the meeting, and then nothing's going to happen at the first meeting, and then we're going to dip again. So, you know, you just got to keep playing that aspect of the whole of this whole exchange. Dude, I got a tight stop. I'm out. It was $112. I think we're going to hit this red line. This red line would be a good spot. At some point, I feel like it is going to roll over into close. Uh-oh, President Trump reposted something. Here, you want to see what it is? Let's see what he's talking about. Just a Make America Great hat. Close to Monday's open price bounce. I mean, I don't trust this at all. This looks like it's trending all the way back down to 16,490. This would be the best move in the world. We bounce, we go right back up into 17,800, and then roll over right into this big fair value gap right here on the hourly, and then we get rejected in there. That would be technically the best. That would be the best. Scalp it, but it's pumping. Look at that shit. It rejected right off that red line. Look at that red line. You'd have gotten 30 points off that. That's a 30-point rejection off that line. What? It's going up. I don't know, man. That might have been the top. I didn't get it. I wanted to. That's called the red line of death. No, it's a volume imbalance line. It's the volume imbalance indicator that I have on here. 60% of the time, it works every time. Yo, I have a feeling that those 5 new people that came in are all the same person, by the way. Because they all come in at the same time, and then they all left at the same time. Anyone notice that? Everyone came in at the same time asking the same question, and then they all left at the same time. It was pretty freaking shady. Pretty shady, if you ask me. But if anyone's actually new here, come say what's up. And if you saw me on Top Step today, say what's up also. I like hearing from new people. Into the sell zone. Welcome to the Thunderdome. Yo, get their ass out. Trying to get their name on the race. That's all they came in asking for. That's what it's. Yo, what's up, Becoming? What's up? How's your trading day going? Are we going to roll over here or what? Oh, come on. I need a... Had a great morning? Nice. Did you lock it in for the day? Lucinda, oh, you saw me? Oh, look at this shit. I just got top ticked. I just got freaking top ticked. That's fine. I just doubled up dollars on that. What did I lose? Yeah. Lost 305, but then I made 340. So suck it, NQ. You're up 8K on evals? That's nice, man. Nice. Yeah, you just gotta have big yo, I did get topped. Yo, but I came back and got it on the other side. Look at that. Yo, They literally top ticked me, and then they unloaded it 70 points. It is what it is. I just, I'll remember that, NQ. I see you. %38 pullback rejection from the third leg down. Okay. Cove Trader, I like what you said today on Top Step. What did I say on Top Step? Top Step was like one big laughing blur. I was having too much fun on Top Step today. Yo, BK, it's so easy because it's just moving around so much. Let's run the Ducks. I'm out because I came late, but I want to see how this thing will be done. Dude, I can't run the Ducks now. We're all trading. Yo, Mama Tick saw it. Mama Tick thinks it was hot. Yo, it was fun, man. I thought we lit the place up. Yeah, Lucinda, it happened. It just happened to me live. You guys just saw it live happen to me. Oh, walk away when you have any money? Yeah, because in these markets, you can have money quick and then it could all be gone in the next trade. It could definitely all be gone in the next trade. VIX got to $60. Woo! That's crazy. VIX is at 60. Cove, would you get a 50K or 150? Honestly, 50. I choose 50s over 150s most of the time, even though I have both. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 50s compared to 2 150s. Yo. Sean sending out D picks. D picks for everybody. Cove, have you tried the if you know trade on ES? Yo, is that when you just look at the numbers and make money? You know what I mean? Do I got to wear a fucking cowboy hat while I do it? You gonna call me Demo Danny also? Passed my combine today. Thinking about starting a TPT eval. Yeah. Take Profit Trader is cool because you get daily payouts. 5 pro accounts, cats. 5. I'm working on getting 5. Trying my best. Oh, you're talking about the 350 candle? Oh. I have not done it on ES. I thought you were talking about that video of Danny trades when he says 150 times. He's like, and then like when that other guy asks him how he makes money, he's like, I just look at the numbers and I just make money, And then he was wearing a fucking cowboy hat yesterday in like a janitor's closet with no lights on trading. It shows mine's right here. How do you know, Cove? How do I know what? What he was doing? I saw the video. Yo, there's something wrong, Sean. Like, he was sitting there in a cowboy hat on like a plastic chair with no lights on. And I was on the phone with Jay, and we were like, what is this guy doing? I got to set it up. I'm setting it up, you know? Who Danny Trades is? It's some guy that told everybody he was trading real money, and he was trading all these demo accounts. And then he says, you know, a lot. Yeah, it's just the numbers. What up, Joyce? Yeah. Yeah. Trust me, you don't want to see it. It's not going to help you out. It's definitely not going to help you out. Oh, it'll help you out, all right. Yo, I was on the stream being like, yo, I just here to fade him. Dude, I can't believe all these stocks just gave it up. Dude, that's crazy. All these stocks just gave it up again. We were at 18,364, and here we are, almost $1,400 down. It's got to be big. More selling for a massive rally? I don't know about that, Cats. All I know is I'm so happy I sold some of I had Amazon puts that I sold, and I was up money on them today. And I took that off the table because that's a lot of thousands of dollars, which I'd be down right now in. I took that off the table. That alone saved me a lot. A lot. And I bought some QQQ puts. Only 2 accounts traded? Oh, Dan. No. I'm up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Top Step accounts. I'm up in 5 Top Step accounts. 2 of these. Small ups here. Actually, this one's small on purpose. I just needed to lock in $50 today, and maybe I could take a payout today. I don't know how many more days I need, but I'm basically just going to take a payout in this account. Why can't you see the volume and balance indicator on Tradeovate? Did you add it? When you go here, do you see it right here? And if you don't see it, Del, if you don't see it, scroll out like this and see if it pre-fills it. See if it pre-fills it. What up, Mud? What up, MD Huckar? What up? What up? Mia Bowie? What up? Bro, look at this. Trading is a lifestyle. What up? Yo, make sure you like the video. I mean, we called it in the Discord. Fade in the midday. I mean, that we got exactly what we were looking for. What up, Dan Henderson? Nice. I appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe. This is going to get crazy here. Sean, man. Sean. Do I just sell off the line or something? I think they're gonna just that what it's supposed to represent is that it's gonna backfill. But if you have like two next to each other like this, like I would shoot for this one. Have I ever held a contract for an all-day move? I want to. I've done it in my real money account. What's up, Quan? What up? What up? Dude. Oh, my eye is dry. Yo, I think that 350 candle is going to go freaking bananas. BK, you hitting the trade in 8 minutes or what? I think we're going down. Downtown. Holy shit. I didn't even realize how big this was. Fuck. I didn't realize how let me just get out of this. If I go green, I'll just get out. Yo, I didn't realize that like up here is like, yo, it's like 50 freaking points. That is your question. Wait. What was the question? I have paper trading, of course, playing it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in. If we go up, it's going to be a quick whipsaw, I think. Yeah. What up? What's big? I can't show you on the stream. But I think we're going to get like 50 or 100 points. No wonder your eyes are dry, Cove. Too much screen time. I got a lot of screen time. I was even on last night. We were playing poker in the Discord with Sean was there, Dell was in there, and I played like 45 minutes of poker with everybody while doing some other stuff. How do I play poker? You got to be in the Discord. It's free. It's not like it's not paid Discord, but the Discord's right here. Discord's free. Just come in. They set up poker almost every night. They go on voice chat also, Matt. So it's like everybody, you know, we were on, there was like 4 people you could talk to. Flip was on there also. So like people can talk, all voice talk with each other. Get some blue ray blocker glass. I'm going to look into that code. Yeah, we're in there. Yeah, Dell usually sets it up, I think. Dell sets it up. Oh, Surfer Matt's in there. Yeah, you're in there. I've been scalping it, Dell. I've definitely been scalping and it's been working. Now listen, it obviously this market is a crazy market. So you are going to get overshoots and a bunch of shit, but I'm looking to start playing it when when everything settles down a little bit. This looks like it's just going to roll over hard. This looks like we're going to roll. Just remember, MOC is in 3 minutes. So even though this looks like it's going to roll over, yo, Matt, Dell will just post it in the chat. You'll see it. Which way am I playing the MOC? Whatever way it goes, Mac Daddy. I'll have orders on both sides. Today was a perfect day to pass end of day drawdown challenges. Yeah, John. All you had to do was kind of buy and hold. That's pretty much all you had to do. We are going to start playing probably with real money. Well, we were talking about doing a tournament. Dell can set up tournaments, and we did a tournament one time already. I don't know if any of you guys joined. I am not in calls, Chad. I'll be honest with you. The premiums on options are so high that you have to buy and then sell a further out of the money call to kind of, you got to do a spread so you collect premium. That's how I feel about it. Oh, this candle is going to be fucking massive. Oh, baby. This looks like dog shit to the downside, by the way. Oh, boy. Waiting for the NQ. Oh, man. Yo, I didn't get filled either way. I took it off, guys. I took it off. I took it off. It didn't break either way. You would have got it to the upside. I took mine off. That was not what I wanted to see. Yeah. My issue is I want it to go right away. I don't want it to do what it just did. That's not how I want it. So it's not worth risking the money. You still got paid. But that is not how I wanted it to be. So yeah. It got you before the end of 349. Oh, well, that's a user error, BK. That's definitely a user error. That's not the market. I've done that. See, like, look, see it reject. Look, see Dell, like it comes back, it comes to here, and then you can kind of scalp to the downside. See how it comes right there. The biggest problem is it usually flashes, and the fact that it didn't flash, I just wasn't into it. You know, I want to see the flash down. I don't want to see what it just did. That's not in my trade plan. That's why I took the trade off, even though the trade hit. The trade hit, you know, people made money, but no, it was one way, but I like it when it just flashes. I don't like that. Like it didn't even break it for like 8 to 10 seconds. That was like weird. I don't remember the last time it did that. Yeah, Jim Blab. When it doesn't flash, there's definitely an increased chance of it hitting you and then reversing. I still don't see how they close this strong. I feel like they're going to dump it here in the day. Of course, I could be completely wrong, but why would anybody buy this end of day when Trump and China is going back and forth overnight? But here we are. Someone's buying it. Someone's buying it. Or going up. Some short covering. Someone's DCAing. Watch this. What do you think? They're going to just drop it? Let's see if they just drop it real quick. Oh, yo, I just caught $200 like that. That's how easy that was. I got that candle. Caught it. Caught it. What up, Akram? But even that, like, it's still almost within this candle. Like, all it did was peek out right here. I'm kind of looking forward to getting back how trading was. That was a 3-bar reversal. On what time frame? Oh, it is on the dude. That is on the 5. Are you going to take it to the upside? 5-minute 3-bar reversal. Oh, I double clicked the fucking mouse. Oh, I just can't believe I just did that. I double clicked the mouse. Fuck. Oh, why did I do that? Just get me out of half. Just get me out. Just get me out. Just get me the fuck out. I double clicked it by mistake. What's Candela charts? What is that? All right, one click. What's Dell? What's Candela charts? Trump is speaking right now? Motherfuck. Oh, this is just going to ruin me right now, isn't it? I should just get out. Just get me out. Just get me out. Is he talking right now, Brandon? Is he talking right now? Is that on Tradeovate though? Where do you see that on? Like, what platform do you have that on? Is it TradingView, Tradeovate? What is it? Oh, on TradingView? Oh, look, it just made it right there. It just made it right there. Oh, that was a nice freaking hit. Only down $244 in this account now. Oh, I made that all back. It's been a long day. Comeback. This account was down 2,200 at one point. Don't call it a comeback. Been here for years. Oh, baby. This thing's... Oh, it's 4 o'clock. They just closed the market. Oh, man. I know there's less trading today compared to some days just because the market's just wild. That last little pump brought it home for me too. I can deal with a 244 loss in this account. That's not a big deal. Pumped up some accounts here. Oh, man, my eyeballs. My eyeballs. Woo! Yo, if you guys are new on the room in the room, you're not going to be able to be added until tomorrow, only because that stops a lot of new people coming in with multiple accounts. So I'm just letting you know. You're more than welcome to hang out, learn about prop firms, make money, whatever you guys have questions about, ask. If you have questions about prop firms, that's probably going to help you out. There's a lot of information right there. Yo, later, Cap. We'll do the duck race at 420. Yeah, they really popped this end of the day. Piano, I kind of just trade what the market gives me, to be honest with you. Like, if you notice, sometimes I'm short, and then once we break a certain level, my bias is then long because it showed me that it can break over that level. That's how I look at things. I'm very much can change. I would take profit trader. I don't think so. You might want to ask them, but I don't think so. I don't really know what take profit trader. How can you listen to Trump on TradingView? I don't know. Can you on TradingView? Dude, trade at open? What, you want me to trade at 9:30 in the morning? Dude, I would. Just a lot of people don't show up at 9:30 in the morning. And a lot of times I'm doing other stuff, or I'm trading my, I got to adjust my other portfolio and things like that. I can't believe we didn't hit the candle because. Oh, Rayu, thanks, man. It's rough because then there's a lot. That's a lot of stream time. A lot of stream time. Sometimes I do it though. Oh man. Time to bring other mods. What up, Christopher? Oh, what do we think? We're just going to keep working up. I'm not trading. Every time I trade after hours, like Sean's the mod in Discord. Yeah, Sean's a mod in Discord. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah. I got all these random freaking people messaging me on dude, I want to see what this Candela thing is. Let me see this thing. Candela charts. Oh, yeah, it makes the lines. Oh, geez. The other day, someone posted a Zoom link in Discord, scanned it, and it was a virus. Yeah. Anytime people post Zoom links, it's always a virus. Sean approves. Listen, it's there for everyone to have fun with. You know, it's there for everyone to have fun with. Thanks, Cats. You know, I want you to post GIFs. I like posting GIFs. I mean, mine isn't zones, though. I see how you have a zone. This is what mine looks like. Why does mine look different? Unless you I don't know why mine isn't like that. Yo, what's crazy is we went up, down, around. Today was a wild ass day. I actually don't even have a bias going into tomorrow. Like, I think tonight's going to determine what we do tomorrow, to be honest. What Trump says, what the Chinese guy says, you know, if anything, this kind of looks like a dead cat bounce, and now we're rolling back over. That's honestly what it looks like. You know, you go to like a 4 hour. We bounced off this pivot point. We went up to this pivot point. And now it looks like we're just rolling back through. Maybe target either double bottom or maybe even target, 15,600. You know, there's just a lot of stuff going on. That I can tell you. A lot of stuff going on. Oh, man, I'm exhausted. Yeah, I mean, it just kind of seems what it looks like. It just... Basically, what I would say is whatever happens overnight with Trump and the Chinese guy is going to dictate what we're going to do.
The market is closed.
That's going to determine tomorrow, whatever those two guys decide. Or if they decide nothing, it's going to be a big chop zone day. We're probably up and down 500 points. Yeah, you're betting chop. Yeah, I mean, when I say chop, I mean it's going to be swinging, but you're not going to go up or down. It's just going to be oh man. So interesting. Yeah, I still can't trade. I still can't trade Asian markets. I told myself to only trade New York. That's all I'm going to trade. I don't want to ruin my accounts and then be like, oh, why did I do that? I have the data. The data says I'm not good trading during then, so I'm just going to not trade. Just not trade. Just not worth it. Cold cucumber slices. I got a long day ahead of me still. I got to go make some dinner. I got to do some stuff. I got a lot of stuff to still do. So we'll see what happens. 8 minutes until we run the old ducks. Anybody have questions about indicators, prop firms, trading, anything? Anything about any questions? Now's a good time to ask. Oh. Bought a Lamborghini at the Asian market. When it was delivered, I noticed it was constructed entirely of cardboard and Bondo. Black Beauty flop firms? What's a flop firm? Did you take it easy today? Looks like you didn't trade as much as usual. I mean, I'm up in all my Top Step accounts. I'm up here. I'm up in Top Step. I kept it light only because we're just, the market conditions are just crazy. Crypto portfolio took a massive dump today. I believe that. How many accounts do I have in total? Are you talking about funded accounts or are you talking about all accounts, Waldo? Firms that are whack and bad? Yeah, I only trade with prop firms that pay out. Yeah, have you ever used AI to create an indicator on TradingView? I have a friend who seems to think he found the Holy Grail. I mean, the odds are he hasn't found the Holy Grail, but he might have built a decent indicator in Chat GPT. How many funded accounts do I have? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. 2 in my funded futures is 15. I'm going to have 4 in here. So that's 19. I have 2 in Bullnox. That's 21. I have a account in Tradeify, 22. And Fidias, 20. I have 23 funded accounts. 23 funded accounts. Yeah, nothing's the holy grail. I mean, I'm sure the indicator's good, but you know, I don't really know. The one guy who has the holy grail, Renaissance Technologies, that hedge fund guy has the guy. He's dead now, but he created the holy grail. His returns are unmatched by anybody. Yeah, Renaissance Technologies. Their head, yeah, Simmons. Yep. I used to live right by them, by the way. A lot of those traders I used to see them around all the time. I used to see all those traders all over the place. Yeah, they all live in like this place they call Nissaquag, Setauket area. They all live up there. Real nice houses. You know, what's weird is it's the only hedge fund that's remotely near there. It's out by Stony Brook. And it's so weird because they're the only ones over there. Can you imagine tweet out, I'm doubling all the tariffs, then buy up everything, then tweet, I'm delaying the tariffs and sell at the top? Yo, I'm sure somebody's doing it. I'm sure somebody somewhere has inside info. Is day traders any good? I would not use day traders. They're being sued they're like in a countersuit with Apex. I wouldn't use them at all. I don't use any of those, like anything that's not A level, I'm not using. I want to make sure I get paid when I make money. Just no reason to use other firms. Oh, geez. I'm about to light this up in 2 minutes. If you haven't already, submit it in the bottom. This has been a long day, man. There's a lot of on here. Yo, don't use that indicator now, Dell. It's bugged. Yo, what happened to the indicator? Why not use it anymore? What happened to it? Yeah, man, it's constantly flipping. Yeah. Oh, man. They are saying China can find workarounds to avoid high tariffs through other countries to get their products to the U.S. That's not new. That's not brand new. Oh, it's moving levels back and forth as price moves. That's not good. That's no bueno. Let's see what happens. 1 minute. Yeah, have you ever seen the movie War Dogs? They basically send the stuff to Jordan and then they drive it over. It's kind of the same concept. I've gotten stuff delivered to my. I've gotten stuff delivered that went from China to like another country, and then and then to me. Not new. I'll just take that real quick. I'm going to start this thing up. Boom, 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 boom. Well, if you're new here, we stream live every day, 10:30 to noon. And then again, 2 p.m. to 4:30. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. That's what allows us to give away these free accounts. I'm just setting it up right now. Also, if you're not getting notified when we're live, you have to click that little bell at the bottom, and that will enable it so you get notified when we go live. Just looking. So basically, if you were on in the morning stream, we're going to run that race. And then we'll run the afternoon race. And then the two winners will it doesn't show we registered anymore. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Garen? I have all the names on my end. I have all the names. This is the morning stream. Yeah, no, it's in already, dude. I got it. I got everybody. I got it all. I have it all. Yeah, I have the whole thing. Yo, what's up, Tim? It's I just paused it. I just paused it and run it. Quack, quack, baby. Tim, if you're brand new, you couldn't jump in anyways. If you're brand new, you have to be on the stream for a little bit. You can't you can't just jump in 1 minute. You gotta. Streamlabs doesn't allow it. Streamlabs makes you have to be on for a little bit. That's so people can't just make a gazillion accounts. Quack, quack, baby. Who's going to take this race? The winner of this one plays the winner of the afternoon stream. Yeah, you got to hang out. Yo, CT, baby. Oh, are you in the room, CT? It's 4:23. You got 2 minutes. Are you in the room? Yo, you never won yet, Garen? Yo, is he not in here? Oh, man. Is he not in here? Dude, I don't know if he's in here. Yo, he's not in here, man. We're going to rerun this thing. Yeah, he's got 1 minute. He's got one more minute. 4:25. We're going to rerun it. Yo. That's right. He's at work, dude. He's at work or something. Smells like a rerun. I'm at work too. No excuses. What is that, like wedding crashers? Rule 173. Never leave for the duck race. Yo, that's exactly what it is. Yo, you could put that on a shirt. Rule 173. Never leave for the duck race. Let's go. Oh. Bro, that wedding crashers, the rules were freaking hysterical. All right, who's going to take it? Who's taking it? Sean, that's why I want to sit there and make a bunch because I got a lot that I want to roll out. I think it'll be fun. Who's taking it? Luca. Luca. It's 4:26. You got 2 minutes, Luca. You got 2 minutes. Are you in here? All right, Luca's in here. Hold on. Luca's going to race. Who's Luca going to race? Damn, I should have held that short. Holy shnikes. That would have been 60 points. Luca is going to race for a free account. Let's see who wins. This is everybody that's on the afternoon stream. Here we go. Yeah, now this is the afternoon, guys. This is everyone that's on the afternoon stream. Did you put your thing in, Trader Y? I can't. I'm in here somewhere too. It's almost impossible to see your actual duck unless you stick out. There's like 98 ducks in this thing. Some are like off the screen already. Yeah. You have to message me, get my attention, and then put your thing in. I want to see what it tells you when you do it. Who do we got? Trump's never won, Jaden. The Trump duck has never won once. Well, Luca can't. It can't be Luca. It's got to be Luca versus someone. The high table spoke about that. Yo, Sean C in the house. Yo, Sean, you here? I think you're here, right? Yo, hold on. All right. Now, who is it? Sean and Luca. We'll keep it PG today. Rootery. I wish. New race. This is a new race today, actually. New race alert. You guys ready? Yo, you guys are flying. Dude. Yo, you're dead even. Look at this. Dude, it's dead even. No one's moving back and forth. Nice windbreakers. Yo, both of you are what? Yo, you're both off the screen. Oh, they just played you, Sean. Yo, super fast. Monica! Yo, Luca, you gotta shoot me an email. That's why we don't do men and women's races. Oh, man. I am freaking exhausted. Yo, I get to see you guys tomorrow. I'll hang out. If anybody has questions, comments, anything, feel free to put it in the chat. If you guys want to hang out on the Discord later on, here's the Discord link. I don't know. If you want to follow on X, just tell me who you are. And I follow everybody back. So if you follow, I'll hit you with the old follow back as long as your name is the same. If it's not, and I don't know it's you, I don't follow because I think it's somebody weird. But if you got questions, now's the time to ask. I just creep. All good. Yo, later code. All good. I love Twitter, man. I just love the trolling on Twitter is awesome. It's so crazy. Like, we're down 0.33% after hours, which is like a massive down on a normal day. But this is like nothing. 50 points is nothing. Yo, Vivette Jamez, no. Not sure what you mean. Don't forget Smooch Trader on your way out. Oh, man. I wish I just held the downtrend. I mean, that was just a massive rollover. Yo, later, Matt. Oh, yo. Oh, man. I'm exhausted. Anyone taking this? Do you know what the plan is for dinner? Yeah, I got these chickens I have in the slow cooker that I have these chickens in the slow cooker with some cream, some tomato sauce, some basil. I got some real good dinner plan. Bro, my land went out of contract today. I am butthurt. What do you mean your land went out of contract? What happened? Someone selling like where you live? Oh, you were selling a piece of land and they backed out? Oh, you know what I want to see? If my NinjaTrader account is if they approve my freaking NinjaTrader account. I'm trying to get a I'm trying to put money in a live NinjaTrader account, but oh. Dude, I just sent money. I literally just sent money into my NinjaTrader account live. Tim Korth, any thoughts on Top One? There's no reason to use Top One. There's other firms out there that have been around. Why would I go to a newer firm or a firm that's just entering this space? Like, why would I do it? It's just not worth it. Plus, I think the guy who's running it was like an MLM guy. Like, I'm out on that. I'm out. Yeah, call me in 6 months about Top One. Yeah, Kevin, they are cheaper. Yeah, I'm out on Top One. Go use Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is where it's at. Take Profit Trader, 30% off, no activation fee right now. Actually, it's literally right in the chat. Literally 30% off, no activation fee. That's exactly who I would use. Damn. Bam. So I think this is the first stream that we had 100 likes on. What up, Ray? Yeah, like Top One, you have to pay for like daily payouts and stuff. I'm out on that. You have to pay for extras. I'm out. I'm good. I'm out on that. Marie, how'd you finish? Did you ride that whole thing down? Does that... Nah, need to be 100 people on the stream at once. The most we hit today, I'll tell you right now. The most we hit today was, I think, 79. We've been consistently like 79, low 80s. $78 where we maxed out. 78 we maxed out. Getting close. We just keep building it up. Once we get 100, though, take profit trade payouts next day in your bank account for me. Apex takes 2 months to get. Yeah. Fuck it. Fuck it. I mean, we've been in the 80s. The high, Sean, is 93. Yo, a couple more short videos. Need more shorts. Need more shorts. But we're getting close. Oh, I am. It looks it. I might take a couple bucks. I don't know. I could see it just dumping here. I'm willing to just hold it, though. Like, I'm willing to hold. All good, Luca. I'll take a peek. I'm waiting for Trump just to say something. No, I never took a trade today after. Oh, the trend in the afternoon. We talked about it, Marie, how we were going to fade in the afternoon. It got destroyed. It got destroyed. Oh. Well, I'm exhausted. If you have no more questions, I'm going to jump off. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 10:30. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader below. Nah, Stone. A lot of people jump off after they're done trading. Like a lot of people just leave at 4 anyways. For like, when they're done trading, most guys are gone. I would jump off, except I like to answer any questions people have after, but all right. Yo, later, Andy. Everybody, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.